going to be 3D printing a figure of a cat. So let's get started. Alrighty, the part is done. Look at it. It is absolutely beautiful. It's very sturdy. You can see it's very beautiful. I ended up 3D printing this part 3 or 4 times because it failed the first couple times, and I can show you how basically what happened here. So if you look at the back of the part, you'll notice that, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but it is a little rough right in here and here. That's because when printers do layers, when they have to arch a small amount, because when they get to this top layer, the layers keep moving out, and that out and up can sometimes cause warping. You can see the fill-in on these with this part here. It's kind of like a mesh. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, the gnome, it's done! So you may ask. Alright, here's the part. Let's go ahead and put it on the beehive. To print a gnome, I mean, just why not, you know? And look at this, it's very cool, the detail in it is very... Section I can decide if I want the bees to go directly in, shut them completely down, or make it so the queen can't get out. And I'll have that on when I first move the bees in to make sure the queen stays